Hi, everybody. Welcome back to All Right Art with Mr. Sorvery. Today, we are going to be taking a look at our Tinkercad platform in a little bit more depth than we did last time. Now, because we have some different functionalities with this program, we are going to find out that SculptGL and Tinkercad really can complement each other. And we're going to find out today some things that Tinkercad can do that SculptGL just doesn't, or at least not as well. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at how Tinkercad arranges and moves stuff around in a space. I'm going to take these two objects here. I got a cube and a wedge shape. I'm going to use my right mouse button to click around this space, and I'm going to use some of the values to help move things around. I'm going to lift my wedge here up off the work surface until I get 20. If I want to move it a little bit higher, I can mess around with it like that. That's a nice thing about our Tinkercad experience. Another thing that's really great about it is that it can group objects together. I just took my left mouse button and selected both of these objects. If I go up here to my Align tab, I'm going to be able to bring them together, as you can see, by clicking these buttons into alignment. So that's another really nice thing about this program. Now, when I did that, it set my wedge pretty much where I wanted it, but I didn't really notice that when I was aligning, I didn't click this other button that would bring them into alignment that way. I can click this third alignment button, but that's going to actually set my wedge or my roof shape inside my cube, which is a useful thing, but not something that I want to do right now. Another thing I like about Tinkercad is that when I select two objects by dragging my mouse button, I can group these objects, and that will bring them together in a way where I can drag them around the work surface. And that is a nice little addition to our functionality that we didn't really get in SculptGL. Next, I'm going to import a file into my Tinkercad that this is actually something that we did before. I'm going to do the pumpkin from our first assignment. And it'll take a little bit of time to import, so I'm going to pause. All right, so for a variety of reasons, I chose not to import the jack-o'-lantern version of my pumpkin. I've just got my regular pumpkin here. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to use this tool here to rotate it. All right, bring it to, oh, I went past 90 degrees. I like this about Tinkercad. You can enter those values in and make it a little bit easier to move stuff around.